Hey everybody, welcome back. Stonebroke Adventure. Today's the day. We're gonna put this boat on the water. We got a couple little things to tighten up. We're gonna take this thing down to the boat ramp and we're gonna start the break-in process. We got two more things to do on this boat trailer. We gotta replace the trailer winch and we have a Vevor KW 1600 winch from Vevor. They sent me this winch just to help out with the product. And I'm gonna give you an up close look. We got links down below, but real nice winch. We're gonna get this installed, replace this old rusty one. This thing has a cable on it. This thing's got 30 foot of nylon strap, 1,600 pounds. Super overkill for this little boat, but it's awesome. I love overkill. So we're gonna put this on. We also have the MJ1001B tongue jack. Look at this tongue jack. I've been struggling, fighting with this thing. I'm always afraid I'm gonna get my toes with that. We're gonna replace that. We're gonna have a new tongue jack. We're gonna have a new winch. So let's go ahead and get into this, get these things installed. Thanks to Vevor for sending both of these to me. I have links down below. New tongue jack installed. Put that rusty thing away. We're all set, right? 1,000-pound tongue jack on a Bossa Whaler. Plenty of power on this thing. Super smooth operation, right? This thing can flip forward, flip backwards. We have the 1,600-pound winch on this. Forward, reverse, listen to that. Woo! Plenty of power, crank the boat up. Nice and smooth. Everything we need. We're gonna take this thing down to the boat ramp, put it in the water. Let's go. Come on. Back? Yep. I hold it right there. All right, we got it in the water now. Just a matter of letting this thing warm up. But she seems to be sitting really nice. Here we go. Good, huh? Oh, this is the first time in the water, so we're gonna let this thing warm up. We've got like 5 minutes, and then a little 15-minute idle speed warm up, and then we'll be able to run it at half throttle. Got it up to half throttle now. We got to do half throttle for about an hour and 45 minutes, but half throttle, this thing is just so smooth. This 4-stroke Suzuki is pushing it along fine, nice and quiet, nice, smooth, quiet ride, super stoked. So we're gonna finish this break-in process and start having fun with the boat. You guys have been waiting for this video. We threw it together real quick. Next episode, we're gonna get some real good footage of this. We're gonna do some serious sea trials. The break-in period's gonna be over. Do some speed testing. Really give you guys an up-close look at the finished product. So thanks for tuning in from Stonebroke Adventure. Until next time, bloop.